All right, my friends, you know how I'm always serious and I don't really like jokes or anything funny. Well, I tell you, this book kind of wormed its way past me because it is kind of absurd or preposterous or crazy. None of the things in this book make any sense, but I think that's why I like it so much. It is called Animals Should Definitely Not Act Like People, and it's written by Judi Barrett and drawn by Ron Barrett. So animals should definitely not act like people. Animals should definitely not act like people because it would be preposterous for a panda. Yeah. Because a worm would be worn out. Because it would be outrageous for an octopus to play outfield. Because it would be foolish for a fish. Because a hippopotamus would have to have a heap of help. Because it would not pay for a pigeon as if he needs to fly in a plane. Because a fly would find his furniture falling. You can't keep those things on the ceiling like a fly. Because it would be dreadfully dull for a dog. Why does he have to have a scoop? Oh, yeah, I get it. Because a giraffe would gasp when she glanced to the ground. Why would this giraffe need a ladder? It's because it would be troublesome to a turtle in a thunderstorm. Oh, no. Because it would be so silly for a sheep. Oh, does a sheep really need to go get its hair curled? Because an ostrich would look odd. I don't even know what to say. Because a ladybug would have a large load to lift. Oh my gosh, that poor ladybug. And most of all, because we wouldn't like it. Wait a minute. Why does it look like... Oh, are they at a zoo looking at us? Oh, my friends, how ridiculous, huh? All right, y'all, I think you have some amazing imagination. I want to see a picture of an animal doing something that a human does, but that it really doesn't make sense for that silly animal to be doing that, you know. Oh, I cannot wait to see what your imaginations pop up for me.